Welcome to this fascinating new episode on modern world dynamics. Today, we're decoding attraction. We're diving deep into the heart of human connection, exploring the magnetic pull that draws us to one another. Recognizing attraction is more than just a fluttering heart. It's a dance of subtle signs and signals. We'll be sharing 12 signs that someone is highly attracted to you, helping you to navigate the exciting and sometimes confusing world of attraction. So buckle up as we unravel the mystery of attraction. First up, we have the ever-reliable sign of attraction: eye contact. It's the window to the soul, as they say. Now, we're not talking about the brief, accidental eye contact you make when you're scanning a room. No, we're referring to the kind of eye contact that lingers, the kind that seems to freeze time. Imagine you're at a party, making small talk with a friend. Out of the corner of your eye, you spot someone staring at you. You meet their gaze, and there's a pause. They don't look away immediately. Instead, they hold your gaze, and in that moment, it's as if the world has stopped spinning. This prolonged, intentional eye contact is a sure sign of attraction. It's a non-verbal way of saying, "Hey, I'm interested in you." So, the next time you catch someone's gaze lingering on you, take note. It could be a sign they're quite taken with you. Remember, the eyes never lie. Next, we delve into the language without words, body language. Now, this is an interesting one. Our bodies often speak louder than our words, and when it comes to attraction, they're practically shouting from the rooftops. You see, when someone is attracted to you, they'll often mirror your actions. It's like a dance, almost instinctual, where you lift your cup, they lift theirs, you cross your legs, they cross theirs. It's a sign of empathy, a sign that they're tuned into your frequency. They may also lean in when you're talking, a clear indication that they're interested in what you're saying. It's like they're trying to close the distance between you two, even if it's just by a few inches. And let's not forget about the lingering touch, the accidental brush against your arm or the playful nudge. So the next time, pay close attention to those subtle body cues. They might just be whispering the secrets of attraction. The third sign might surprise you. It's nervousness. Yes, you heard that right. When someone's attracted to you, they might be more nervous around you. Picture this, you're having a casual conversation with someone, and they're fumbling with their words, or they're constantly playing with their hair or fidgeting with their watch. It's not because they're uncomfortable, but rather they're trying to make a good impression and are worried about messing things up. Let's take another scenario. You're at a party and you notice someone who keeps dropping their drink or spilling their food when they're around you. It's not the champagne causing the clumsiness. It could be the butterflies in their stomach. It's a classic case of attraction-induced jitters. So next time you see someone acting a bit nervous or clumsy around you, don't dismiss it as mere awkwardness. It could be a sign of attraction. So if they're a little jittery around you, it might just be a good thing. Before we delve deeper, a quick reminder. If you're enjoying this content and finding it insightful, why not hit that subscribe button? It's a small click for you, but a giant leap for us at Modern World Dynamics. And if you're feeling extra generous, consider donating to support the creation of more informational videos like this one. The donation link is right there in the description below. Thank you for your support. Now back to deciphering the signs of attraction. Our fourth sign is a sweet one: compliments. You know, it's like a little cherry on top of your day when someone appreciates you, isn't it? Compliments can be a sign of attraction, a way for someone to show that they notice you and appreciate your qualities. Imagine this, you're at a get-together and someone you've been chatting with comments on your sense of humor, or how they love your perspective on things. It feels good, right? That's because they're focusing on the things that make you unique, and it's a clear sign they're attracted to you. Or consider a scenario where you've changed your hairstyle or worn a new outfit, and they are the first to notice and compliment it. This shows they pay attention to you, to the small changes you make. So if they're always finding something nice to say about you, it might be attraction. The fifth sign is about genuine interest in your life. Now, we're not talking about someone who simply nods along to your stories. No, this is about someone who actively engages with your tales of triumph and tribulation. They ask questions, delve deeper, show curiosity about the little details. Imagine you're chatting about your weekend hiking trip. The person who's attracted to you won't just say, "Sounds fun." Instead, they'll ask about the trail, the weather, how you felt conquering that steep climb. They're painting a picture of your experience in their mind because they're genuinely interested. Or say you're discussing a book you've just read. This person won't just ask if it was good or bad, they'll dig deeper. Which character did you connect with? What was your favorite quote? What did you learn? Why do they do this? Because they truly want to understand your world. So, when you notice this level of interest, take note. Remember, genuine interest is a strong indicator of attraction. Greetings, cherished viewers. I trust you're relishing today's content. However, before we return to the main event, I've got a thrilling announcement. This interlude is sponsored by Modern World Dynamics. Yes, that's us, and we have an unbeatable proposition exclusively for you. We're on a mission to inject dynamism into your life, and there's no better way to accomplish that than with our exceptional online courses. Here's a sneak peek at a few. Perhaps you're aiming to elevate your dating prowess with our men's dating course, or you're keen to refine your attire with our men's style course. Rest assured, we've got you sorted. For those on the quest for a life partner, our How to Find a Husband course is a must. Conversely, if you're a duo seeking to solidify your financial stability, financial planning for couples is just the ticket. For those aspiring to carve out a digital niche, our courses like How to Build a Personal Brand and How to Grow Your Social Media are ideal. And remember, the flawless dating profile is merely a course away. If you're a tad unsure about initiating contact, our How to Approach Women course has your back. Visit our website at www.modernworlddynamics.com and revolutionize your life today. Thank you for tuning in and for choosing Modern World Dynamics for your personal development voyage. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to our courses, assisting you in navigating the modern world's dynamics. Now back to the captivating content you are enjoying. Until our next encounter, remain inquisitive, stay connected, and continue to explore the dynamics of the modern world. Cheers, everyone. The sixth sign takes us back to the playground. Teasing. You see, when we're attracted to someone, we often resort to the age-old tactic of teasing. It's a playful, fun, and somewhat childish way to express interest. Picture this. You're at a party and someone keeps playfully ribbing you about your choice in music or the way you laugh. It might seem like they're just having a laugh at your expense, but look a little closer. It's not about making fun of you, but rather creating a shared joke, a connection, a bond. They're inviting you into their world, and it's a privilege, not an insult. So next time someone teases you about your quirky habits or your bizarre taste in pizza toppings, take a moment to consider. It might not be a roast, but a rose in disguise. So if they're playfully poking fun at you, it could just be a sign of attraction. The seventh sign is all about the details, small details. When someone is truly attracted to you, they'll remember the little things you've mentioned, perhaps in passing, and bring them up later. It's not just about recalling your birthday or your job title, but more about those tiny nuggets of information you might have shared. For instance, imagine you've told them about your favorite childhood book, and a few weeks later they surprise you with a vintage copy of it. Or you once mentioned your love for a particular exotic fruit you tasted while on holiday, and they show up with that very fruit one day. These are not mere coincidences, my friends. These are signs of someone paying attention, someone who is invested in knowing you, someone who is, yes, highly attracted to you. So if they remember those little things about you, it's a big sign. The eighth sign is about taking the initiative, initiating contact. You know how it is, right? You're going about your day when your phone pings and it's them, out of the blue. They've sent you a funny meme or they're asking how your day is going. These seemingly small gestures can actually speak volumes about their feelings towards you. Consider this scenario. It's a Saturday afternoon and you're chilling at home when you receive a text from them suggesting a spontaneous meetup at your favorite coffee shop. Or maybe they're calling to share an exciting piece of news. In both cases, they're reaching out first, making the effort to connect. They're showing you that they're thinking about you and want to spend time with you. These are not just friendly overtures, they are signs that this person is highly attracted to you. So remember, if they're reaching out first, it's a strong sign of attraction. The ninth sign is about availability. They're always there for you. Imagine this, it's 2 a.m. You've been working on a project and your printer decides to give up. You send them a text and within minutes, they're at your doorstep with a spare printer in tow. Or you're stuck in a rainstorm without an umbrella. One call and they're there, getting drenched just to keep you dry. This kind of availability is not just about being physically present. It extends to emotional availability as well. They're there to listen when you've had a rough day, offering comfort and understanding. even when it's not convenient for them. They're always a phone call or a message away, ready to lend an ear or a hand, or just to make you smile. It's like having your own personal superhero, always ready to swoop in and save the day. So, if they're always there for you, it could be more than just friendship. The 10th sign is about standing up. They defend you. It's not about being a superhero or donning a cape, but about the simple act of sticking up for you when you're not around. Imagine this: you're not in the room, and someone starts to criticize you. If the person who's attracted to you is present, they won't just sit there quietly. They'll leap to your defense, even if it means going against the crowd. It's like having your very own secret guardian, always ready to protect your reputation. This could happen in any scenario: at work, among friends, or even in family gatherings. They're not doing it for show because you're not even there to see it. They're doing it because they care about you. They respect you and your reputation, and they're not afraid to show it. Remember, if they're your knight in shining armor, it's a strong sign of attraction. The 11th sign is about humor. They try to make you laugh. Humor is a universal language of connection, and when someone is attracted to you, they'll often use it as a tool to create a bond. You know, those moments when they crack a joke, and even if it's not the funniest thing you've heard, they're looking at you, waiting for your laugh. They're trying to create a shared moment of joy, a bubble where only the two of you exist. They might even go to great lengths, pulling out all the stops, just to see that smile on your face. It's like they're saying, "I want to be the reason you're happy." This could be them sharing a funny story, a witty pun, or an amusing anecdote. They're not just trying to entertain you, they're trying to connect with you on a deeper level. So if they're your personal comedian, it could be a sign of attraction. The 12th sign is about the green-eyed monster jealousy. Now, I'm not talking about the kind of jealousy that has them boiling over in a rage if you so much as look at another person. That's not attraction, that's a red flag. I'm talking about a softer, more subtle form of jealousy. Imagine you're chatting about your weekend and you mention hanging out with a friend. Their eyes narrow slightly. They ask a few probing questions about this friend. Or perhaps they make a light-hearted, teasing comment about how you're so popular. These are signs that they might be feeling a twinge of jealousy. Why? Because they're attracted to you, and the idea of you spending time with someone else stirs up that green-eyed monster. It's as if their subconscious is saying, "Hey, I want that attention, that time, that connection." Remember, a little bit of jealousy can be a sign of attraction. And there you have it, 12 signs someone is highly attracted to you. From intense eye contact to a playful tease, these signs could be the key to understanding someone's affection towards you. We hope you've enjoyed unraveling these hints of attraction with us today. Show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement helps us continue to bring you content that both educates and entertains. Thank you for joining us on Modern World Dynamics. Stay curious, stay informed, stay